ನನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಾರು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಂತ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರ್ಸಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಲಾ? ವಕೀಲ್ರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ತಂಗಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ ಮನ್ಲಿ. ಬೇಡಮ್ಮ ಇಂಥದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಕಷ್ಟಪಡು. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಗಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ಸೇರ್ಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಟ್ರೂ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್. ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೋಡ. ಗ್ರಾಮ ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಮೋಸ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಪುಸ್ತಕದ ಹೊಣೆಗಾರಿಕೆ. ಅಟೆಂಡರ್ ರೋಲ್ ಏನು? ಫೈಲಿಯರ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. 438 ಇದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಒಂದಿನ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ ಕೇಳಿ. ನೋ, ಯು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ದಿ ಕಸ್ಟೋಡಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೇ ಅಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ಬೈ. ಎಸ್, ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಲರ್ನೆಡ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಪೊನ್ನಣ್ಣ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. Learned Senior Counsel Sri A.S. Ponnanna on behalf of the petitioner and learned HCGP. Present petition is filed under section 438 CRPC with the following prayer. Brief facts of the case are as under. First, a complaint came to be lodged. A complaint came to be lodged by the Yaru Gram Panchayati President, by the Panchayat Development Officer, Panchayat Development Officer H.S. Anil Kumar, contending that accused number 1, ಯಾರ ಹೆಸರು? Mahesh BN is working as a bill collector and present petitioner Rajan KG is working as a attender in Gram Panchayati Putta, Virajpet Taluk, South Coorg, Costa. He has noticed that in respect of the receipt books for the period of 2017-18 to 2020-2021, there is a misappropriation to the tune of 2,55,489. First, based on the resolution passed in the Gram Panchayat meeting, a complaint came to be lodged. First, the same was registered by the Putta police. Yav police baratidu? Putta police in crime number 1/2022 for the offence punishable under section 408, that is section 34 IPC, and investigation is on. First, next para. Land Council, the effort made by the petitioner seeking grant of anticipatory bail is turned down by the learned district judge. Learned district judge by order dated 25th January 2022 in CMIS number 5005 of 2022. Next para. Learned Senior Counsel submits that attender, the present petitioner is attender, and he was not custodian of any receipt books as is receipt books stroke bill books as is alleged by the complainant. First, next para. He also contended that his role was only to upkeep the office and no way he could be responsible for the alleged misappropriation, and the entire custody of the bill books was with the accused number 1, who was working as bill collector, and therefore, prima facie materials reveal that accused is innocent and he has been falsely implicated in the case and sought for grant of anticipatory bail. First, next para. Per contra, learned HCGP submits that both have present petitioner and the bill collector have colluded and has committed the misappropriation, and the same is being investigated by the investigation agency, and presence of the accused petitioner and custodial investigation is very much necessary in order to unearth unearth the truth in the incident, and therefore sought for rejection of the bail petition. First up, next para. Perused the records in the rival contentions urged by the parties. First up, next para. Prima facie material shows that present petitioner is only an attender. First up, material on record also indicate that it is the first accused who was the custodian of the receipt books, and he is primarily responsible for the accounting of misappropriated amount to the tune of 2,55,489. First, be it what it may, this is not the stage for this court to find out the merits or demerits of the case. Suffice to say that while protecting the right of the accused petitioner and also meet the requirement of custodial investigation, an interim arrangement is to be made while considering the request of the petitioner. Accordingly, following order is passed, petition allowed. Petitioner is directed to join the investigation on 21st of by appearing before the investigation officer, that is Kutta Police Station on 21/3/2020 at about 10 AM. First, the investigation agency shall take him to custody and complete the investigation, custodial investigation on the same day before 6 PM. First, thereafter, let the accused petitioner on bail on executing a bond in a sum of rupees 50,000 with one surety for the like sum. Next para, petitioner shall not tamper the prosecution witnesses or hamper the investigation process in any manner. First, he shall mark his attendance before the investigation officer every alternate Sunday between 10 AM and 10 AM to 2 PM till the final report is filed. He shall attend the court regularly. He shall not leave the jurisdiction of Kodagu district without prior permission. Violation of any one of the conditions would entitle the prosecution to seek cancellation of the bail. Ordered accordingly. ಹೇಳಿ ಪಾರ್ಥ, ಏನ್ 438 ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? 379. ಏನ್ ಕದ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಕಂಪನಿದ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಏನಕ್ಕಂತೆ, ಯಾಕೆ ಕದ್ರಂತೆ? Waqf board.
As per the bank statement and the books of account produced during in amount.
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರೇನಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇನಾರು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ತಗೋತಾರೆ. He will appear before the investigation officer and cooperate with the investigation. He will be taken to custody and custodial investigation recovery ಏನಾರು ಇದ್ರೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 7 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ
My lord, on submission. My lord,
Really?
on submission in this petition number 1306 of 2020. I am appearing in behalf of the complainant, my lords.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೋಟಿಸೇ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ?
No, my lord, today morning I have filed the application, 301 application I have filed in the counter, my lords. Why? Because there is a connected.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗಾರೆ, ನೀವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತೋರ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ಕೇಳಿ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ರೇನೋ ಏಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ. That's all right. He want to aid the prosecution. Let him aid. Come on. When do you want to come and argue the matter?
Short accommodation may be given.
Tomorrow?
Okay, my lords.
Learned Counsel, Sri
Mustaqim Alam.
Mustaqim Alam submits that he has filed power for the de facto complainant and wants to assist the prosecution. Name of Sri so and so be reflected in the cause list. Release this matter for further consideration tomorrow.